Hello friends, welcome to Excel with us. Today in this video, we are going to learn about large function and small function. We'll understand thoroughly how to use large function and small function in the Excel and what is the use of them. Before we start the practical, let me tell you what is the large function is all about. So large function is a function which helps us to identify the largest number from the particular set of value. And similarly, the small function also help us to identify the smallest number from the set of value. So we will understand how this work. Here you can see I have taken some example. This column has some name and the quantity sold and their amount, total sold value. So in order that this like Mahi have sold 133 quantity with the amount of 1,47,998, correct? So if this the details has a very sort of detailed sort of data. This has a, for example purpose, I have taken this sort of data that if you want you can manually identify that which is the largest and which is the smallest. But imagine you're working some data where it's more than 1,000, and if you need to find out in the order who's the first and who's the second, third in order, then it is quite difficult to identify by manually. So in that place we will use large function. So let's see how it works. So we need to identify what is the large number in this set. So is equal to large. You can press the tab button or you can enter manually the bracket, and it's showing the two command that we have to fill. One is array, another is k. So array, which it means the area that we wanted to find out our largest number. So we need to select the area where we wanted to find out our largest number, and then comma and give 1. 1 means it will give you the largest number. If you give 2, it will give the second largest. It will never give you the first largest. It will give you the second largest. So we will put 1 and close the bracket and enter, and here we can see that the 2,59,600 is the largest number within all of this, all this set. So in the same order, if you put is equal to large and you wanted to find out the second largest, then select the entire whole area and comma, then put 2. So close bracket, it will give you the second largest, which is 2,21,997 of Irfans. So in the similarly, we need to find out all the ninth. Instead of typing manually 1, we can select here 1, so it will give the same result. Again, instead of selecting 2, I am pressing F2 to modify this formula. So we can select 2, and if you copy and paste in the remaining cell, the similar formula will get applied and we will get our result. Oops. Okay, so here the one more thing that we need to remember, and we have to make sure that when we are selecting, our selection area should be constant. I'll show you why this result didn't came out. So look at here. So F2, when I'm pressing, it's showing the selected area C2 C10. So see it is selected from the entire range of value. It got selected the entire range. And similarly, if you check this also, this also selected the entire range. But if you come here and check, see it left the first cell and it is got increased in the last one. So similarly, if you check here, so it is taking from this to this place. So we have to ensure that our selection place is not moving like this. It should be constant. So what we have to do to make this constant, we have to, let me show you one more time this. So is equal to large bracket and select area. In place of area, we have to select the set of values, and after selecting, we need to press F4. You can see the dollar symbol got added. Then it will be constant. So $C and $2, which means C2, C column 2 rows. This cell now constant until C $10. Again C column 10 rows. till this it is constant, so it will never move. And comma, we have selected the place. By pressing F4 we make the selection area constant, again comma, and select our first result, which will give us the largest value. Enter. If you press 2,59,600 is the first highest value within all of this data. So similarly, now if I copy and paste in the remaining cell, it will give you the give us the exact data. You can see if you press F2, it's showing the selection place is constantly it remains same. It didn't move up or down. So when we give dollar symbol, it constant our selection, and it makes sure whenever we are utilizing the whenever we are copying the formula and pasting remaining cell, the selection cell will be remain same. So this is what all about the large function. Similarly, we'll learn about small function. This is also same. When it is equal to small bracket, and in place of area we need to select the section. Again we have to make this constant by pressing F4 one time, and so it got constant. Now comma, and then we have to select 1, which is the smallest number in the place. So copy and paste in the remaining cell, we got it. So we got our exact details here. It is just alternative of the large function. So this is what the small, large and small function that we use in column. Let me show you how we can use in the row level. So here we have some data. This is the some mobile brand. There Samsung Galaxy S20 and a few brands are there, and seller, A seller, B seller, C seller, like that some few sellers are there. By using small function, we will identify which seller is providing you in the lesser price. So let's see how it works. So first we will use small function. Let me place is equal to small bracket and select like this, or in area we have to select like this. So select Samsung Galaxy S20, who is providing within the lesser price. So after selecting, we can comma, press 1. 1 means the smallest number only it will show. So bracket end, yeah, 73533. Who's this guy? Edge seller is providing with the less price. Who's giving the highest price? Should large. We can use the large function, and we need to select our area. There we selected column wise. Here we need to select our row wise. After selecting comma 1 bracket end, yeah, 74,767. Who is giving 7470 is the C seller. C is charging highest price, and the H seller giving the lowest price. So like that, if you copy and paste in the remaining cell, it will give you the value. See here, what here I have not made constant my selection, which is why when I copy this formula and paste it over here, what it gives me, it selected this side again. And similarly, when I copied and pasted in the remaining cell, so the selection also changed here because I wanted to change the selection, so it changed. If I will make constant the selection area, then all this cell will not show the result of this row, it will only show the first row. So here, in order to change the result, and since the subjects are in the different row, we have not made constant our selection. So if you copy here and paste in the remaining cell, the same way we will get it our result. So now you can see, so let's see iPhone 11. iPhone 11 64,434 rupees. Who is providing? Edge seller is providing 64,430. 3 rupees, and 65668, 65668, the C seller is providing the highest cost. So we got a result. So you can see the Samsung Galaxy S20 has the less price 73,533, which is provided by a seller, and the highest price 74,767, which is providing by the C seller. So similarly, we can check anything. Here iPhone 11 Pro, it's the small and the lesser price, 999,434, which is provided by its seller, and 1,06,668, which is providing by C seller. So if you want to find out the less price in the order, the first less, the first small and the second small, third small price, and you can also use like that. You can press 1 2, you can enter 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see 5 till 5th we wanted to know. Use small function and select your range. Okay, till this and comma, then you select this. Yeah, here we need to make our selection constant, so press F4. This also not done, constant. Now then just copy and paste in the fourth cell. We got our result here. So this is how we can do. If you want to large also, we can do the same thing. So this is what all about the small and large function and small function. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this.